All weather floor mats are intended to get dirty. They're intended to protect the carpet that's underneath them. Oftentimes, after you're done cleaning them and they're done drying, they're uneven. They're not uniform, okay? And what we want to do is dress them to make them look better. Now, most dressings that you would put on your all-weather floor mat are going to make them very slippery, which is not safe getting in and out of your car. Now, Adams Polishes has a solution for that. We have a product called Rubber Mat and Liner Protectant. Now, this is a polymer-based protectant, so it doesn't make the surface slippery, but it provides a nice uniform look. Now, using Rubber Mat and Liner Protectant is very easy, but first you need to get your mats clean. So you're gonna use Adams Polish's Rubber Mat and Liner Cleaner and a tire scrub brush to scrub through and get the nastiness off of your all-weather floor mat. Now, once you're done rinsing them off, hang them up on your floor mat holder or lean them up against your porch or your house, whatever, so they can air dry. Now, once they're all dry, ready to go, take your Rubber Mat and Liner Protectant and spray it onto the floor mat. You're gonna get it as even as possible, and if you need to get it into the nooks and crannies or the ribs or areas of your textured floor mat, take a trim and lug nut brush, a more stiff bristle type of brush, and brush the Rubber Mat and Liner Protectant throughout all the nooks and crannies of your floor mat. Once you've done that, let it sit out, let it dry for 3 to 5 minutes. And once it's done, knock down the sheen by using a high quality microfiber. I like to use the mini plush towel to make it more even, less shiny, and boom, you'll get it nice and uniform, just like this. And they're gonna be protected, they're gonna be easier to clean, and best of all, not slippery. So getting in and out of your car is very easy and not dangerous. Now, not only can you apply the Rubber Mat and Liner Protectant dry, like we just talked about, but you can also apply it as a wet application. The way you're gonna do that is obviously clean your floor mats with the Rubber Mat and Liner Cleaner, and after you rinse them off, go ahead and spray down your rubber mat with the protectant. Now, after you do that, you kind of have two options. You can set your mat aside, lean it up against the wall, or put it on a floor mat holder, and then go about cleaning your car and everything. And then once it's dry, even it out with a towel. Or if you're kind of in a pinch and you're trying to get in the car and leave to go somewhere, you can take a mini air cannon or even just a standard air cannon, blow it down, blow the excess water and protectant off, then even it out with a towel, and boom, you're gonna have a nice dressed floor mat that's gonna look a little bit more uniform and will make your interior look amazing. All-weather floor mats can be a challenge to make look even and look nice again after they've been used and gotten filthy. But with Adams Polish's system of Rubber Mat and Liner Cleaner and Rubber Mat and Liner Protectant, you can really get them thoroughly clean, but also get them looking even and perfect again without them being slippery. So if you want that premium look and feel with all-weather floor mats inside your car, Adams Polish's Rubber Mat and Liner Protectant is gonna be the best option for you.